Hi everyone. Under the basic accounting terminology theme, today we are going to discuss about the terminology expenditure. What is expenditure? So expenditure is any amount of disbursement in cash or transfer of property or incurring of any liability for the purpose of buying goods or services is called expenditure. So, in simple words, what does that mean? Any type of payment which is done for the purpose of gaining the benefits is called the expenditure. Now, expenditure are of different types, categorized into different types. So, primarily we talk about three types of expenditure: capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, and deferred revenue expenditure. Do like and subscribe this video. We will discuss about these three types of expenditure in our upcoming videos. Please tune into the channel for more updates. Thank you.